रिजल्ट सीरीज के एक और वीडियो में आपका स्वागत है। अभी बात करेंगे बर्जर पेंट की। नतीजे आ गए हैं फ्लैट और लिटिल बिट पॉजिटिव परफॉर्मेंस दिखाया गया है इसने। तो कुछ ज़्यादा एक्स्ट्रा ऑर्डिनरी परफॉर्मेंस नहीं दिखाई है पिछले जून के क्वार्टर के मार्च के क्वार्टर के कंपैरिजन में। सीधा प्राइस पे चलेंगे और देखेंगे कि व्हाट इज प्राइस सेइंग। सो फ्रेंड्स, लेट अस गो टू फर्स्ट ऑन अ वीकली चार्ट बिकॉज दिस वीकली चार्ट विल टेल अस अ स्मॉल स्टोरी अबाउट इट। सो यहाँ पे देखिए, ये जो था ये ब्रेकआउट पॉइंट था इसका। ये ब्रेकआउट पॉइंट था इसका, राइट। इट ब्रोक आउट हैड, बट ये जो ब्रेकआउट था, अगर मैं आपको ध्यान से दिखाऊं, ये अच्छी लाइन ड्रॉ करता हूं मैं, ये देखिए यहाँ पे। इफ दिस breakout, it was a clear rejection and price sustained in this range, this candle range, which tried to reject the price, and it went up, it break like this, and no follow through came inside again. It tried to break, it tried to break। फ्रेंड देखिए, ये ब्रेकआउट नहीं होता। डिफरेंस बिटवीन ब्रेकआउट एंड रिजेक्शन, व्हाट इज अ ब्रेकआउट? कैंडल पियर्स थ्रू द रेसिस्टेंस, you have another follow through candle, green candle, both are green, then you have a pullback, and here again you have a green at a pullback for price up. This is called a typical breakout. Those people who are teaching you and telling you on social media and YouTube and everywhere false breakout and fake breakout and this and that, that's not a breakout. There is no such thing as false breakout. Either it is there or not there. Those who are seeing my old videos of results series and other price action videos available on channel, they understand how I define price action and what we discuss what is breakout. So this is a breakout. This is not a breakout. If you have a green candle piercing through and another candle comes inside, you call it a failed breakout. No, it is not a failed break. It's not a breakout. It's called rejection. Okay, friends. So let us see now what happened. So this candle broke this level, but this is not a follow through. This is a red candle. This is a rejection candle, negative candle. This green and this is a positive candle, and this is a negative candle. So there is no follow through. So you have a breakout, let's say follow through, and price comes at a level for retest. This is called a breakout structure. So you have a breaking of the resistance, no follow through. As itself it failed here right away. Now it is coming for retesting. The level is 810 approximately. Berger Paint is trading at 821. This closing is approximately, this week it is trading at 821. It will first come to 790 and 800 level, friends. It will come to 790 and 800 level. Berger Paint is bearish in my view. The resistance now at upside is this candle. If you see clearly, let me show you one more thing. So this was the range in making for the 3 weeks. This was the range. This candle broke below and closed below this range. So what will be our resistance and stop loss? If you are in the holding position, if you are going to hold in, not holding position, if you are having in a sell position, 860 will be our stop loss, high of this candle, and immediate resistance will be low of this. This is a more safe stop loss if you are selling, and 835 is a little risky stop loss if you are aggressive trader. If you are in a short position, if you are in a buy position, friend, I'll tell you where to take a stop loss so that your positions are not out, right? So this swing high we have, see this swing, you can keep it here. So this swing high, this candle which break through, this is important. So 780 is unlikely to break, and from here it take two time rejection. So you can keep a stop loss. Those who are in a buy position, keep a stop loss of 770. Keep a stop loss of 770. High of this high is 778 and this high is 773. So stop loss, those who are holding for the long term, they can keep a stop loss of 770 because stock is going to correct till 780 to 800 levels. Approximately 790 is 800. So 20 as of now it's 821 showing. So there will be some pullback resistance here. So now how will the stock behave? Because stock moves in cyclical direction, friends. What will happen? Now it broke below, now it will go for retest here. Retest will be 830 level, 835, 835 levels, right? Plus minus 2 3 points because of piercing. It might pierce and also. So again, once it shows rejection here at this level, so another 10 15 points we can see upside from 822 level till 835 840 level, and from there again will be rejection and price will come down till 780 to 800 levels. From there we will have a bottom and we can buy for upside. So friend, this is on a weekly chart. Let us quickly see on the daily chart what is there. I don't use, friends, any indicator or anything to confuse you guys. The naked the best, the price are, you can see the candles and price moving beautifully. You don't need to use any indicators. If you are interested in learning such things, keep watching my result series and other index daily, or quite often I post index series also, nifty bank nifty. You will get to know a lot, you will get to learn a lot. So friend, so now on a daily chart also, so friends, this was a green candle. Basically, this is a pole. You can say this was a small flag information. Upside was rejected, definitely resistance formed, and this was a support bottom of this. Today it broke below this pole candle, this pole green candle, and now it will go for taking resistance and come here. This support, immediate support is placed at approx. First support is 800, and then you have this green candle from where the whole rally after the fall. This candle bottom, it the rally started, but this candle could not push the price further, so it is likely to come to between somewhere between 780 to 800 level. So friend, this is it in the Berger Paint video, short and crisp. I hope you understood the price structure and analysis. If you have any question or comments, please put in the comment box. If you're holding what stop loss you want, you have put all these things, you can ask me in the comment section, and I'll be more than happy to help you guys. Thanks a lot for watching this video. I'll see you in the next video for some more interesting level and stocks. Till then, have a good day. Thanks a lot for giving your valuable time and watching this video. Bye bye.